All right, sculpture nerds. So for this week, we are going to be working with the slab method. So we're going to be working with flat pieces of clay. So we're not going to be doing any coil. We're not going to be doing pinch stuff. So I want you to really focus on slab. And so I'm going to be posting a whole bunch of videos that include how to create slabs, how to cut out the shapes properly without having any issues, and different ways of working with the clay and working with slabs. So you're going to have a couple options. You're going to be able to create a project where you are working around a form. So like working around a bowl, working inside a bowl or a cup, where you're using that to help support your project. So working around a form. You're also going to be able to learn how to use a template. So if you want to cut out a bunch of pieces and then puzzle piece it together, if you go that route, definitely try to get a chance to Google Meet with me so we can talk about what kind of template would work best for what your vision is, so I can help you sort of like draw out like a design for it. So definitely Google Meet with me. It's a lot easier than trying to do it through like an email. It's hard to explain and show you things on email, but if you Google Meet with me really quick, or if you shoot me an email of what your dream is, I can help you troubleshoot it when I see you face to face. And then the last way is working with slab coils, which isn't the coil method. It's when you sort of manipulate little strips of clay similarly to working with coils. And I posted a video about that as well. And the other two that I mentioned of how you can manipulate your clay. You can also do a combination of these, which would be kind of dope. Or if you want to create your own slab form, however it is, and you're not using anything to support it, you're just free doing it, that's fine. Your goal is to create some type of vessel, a bowl, something kind of like a cup or a mug. So you're trying to create something that's going to hold something, but using this slab method. Now, for this project, you are going to use your air dry clay that you guys got from me. You have a huge tub of it and you're able to tap into that supply a little bit for this project. You should have plenty for your final project, so no worries on that. And the big thing that I want you guys to remember with your air dry clay is that, we're not going to be putting it in the kiln, so you're going to need to finish it some way, painting it and whatever. And that's not going to be our focus for our week. Our focus is actually the construction part. So that's why I want you to really think about, and work on is trying to come up with a way to manipulate these flat pieces of clay to make something three-dimensional, okay? Because a slab is two-dimensional, and we want to make it 3D. Okay, and I have a couple examples that you guys can see in my videos of different ways of working with it and how I can create something that's flat and make it 3D. So it's like clay origami essentially, which is really cool. So keep in mind also, if you think that this method and rolling out slabs might actually be kind of useful for your final project, depending on your guys' specific plan that you have. And if you haven't filled out that Google form of what you're making, you probably should do that, okay? So keep that in mind so that I can get that for you and be able to troubleshoot with you guys better on what to do for your final project. Because if you don't submit an idea, I can't help you as well. So help me by helping yourself and getting those assignments turned in as soon as you can. Also, make sure everything is caught up from now on. If you're still finishing up your artist statement, get that done, okay? It's like 30 points in that 90% of your grade for this big part. I know we're doing pass-fail kind of stuff going on, but I'm getting whether or not you pass or fail based on normal grading. So please keep up to date with those type of things. And also I'm taking, having your turn-in of your projects play a role in it. So if I assign 20 things and you only turn in 10, is that a pass or a fail? Think about it. Anyways, so if you have any questions, feel free to Google Meet with me, email me. You might be asked by me to Google Meet, depending on the type of questions you have, if that I feel would be a lot more helpful to you. But stay connected, keep turning in your cool stuff, and I'll be seeing you guys. Bye!